Mr. Beecham.
Your Honor, I would like to submit a motion at this time.
What type of motion, Mr. Crawford?
I move for a judgment of acquittal.
Objection.
On what grounds?
Well, the prosecutor doesn't have any actual evidence proving that I did anything.
But present my evidence.
But all of his witnesses will testify to the same facts that I'm sorry, under the California Penal Code Section 1118.1 for a judgment of acquittal on the ground that the evidence before this court is insufficient to sustain a conviction.
Mr. Beecham, have you any new evidence?
I have no further evidence at this time, Your Honor.
Motion for judgment of acquittal is granted. The jury is released with our apologies, and the defendant is free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hey, Rob, take it easy, huh?